Hey everyone, we're going to get right into taking a look at conditional formatting and being able to highlight cells to see how high our numbers are, how low they are, and just get a quick look at that. So if we go to any column that we have, just hover over it, go to conditional formatting, color scales, and the first one we'll be able to see, okay, here's our green, and be able to locate what's our highest numbers, what's our lowest numbers, and we can just keep doing this for the same. It's an easy way to take a look at your data and see where your highest numbers are at, where your lowest numbers are at, and it's very beneficial through any types of data that you may be looking at. Um, and so, yeah, hope you guys found this quick and informative. If you guys like the video, leave a like, subscribe, and we'll be doing more quick videos of tips and tricks on Excel and Facebook, Google, all platforms. So, yeah, thanks for watching. Talk to you guys next time.